Uncontested divorce lawyer, New York Family Law Group. Uncontested divorce lawyer in New York City, divorce lawyers. With the help of our attorneys, you can protect your interests and your family. One of the most challenging things a couple may have to do during the course of their marriage is going through a divorce. However, a divorce does not have to be acrimonious. If a couple can come together to make decisions based on the best outcome for each party and their family, an uncontested divorce may be the best approach. What is an uncontested divorce in New York City? An uncontested divorce is when both parties can come to a mutual agreement on all the terms of their divorce without the involvement of the courts. While divorce is never easy, it can be uncontested. Some couples can come together to craft agreements that are fair to both parties. An uncontested divorce can be a more amicable, cost-effective, and less time-consuming solution. What qualifies a couple for an uncontested divorce? In order for a couple to qualify for an uncontested divorce in New York, they must meet state residency requirements, agree that they both want the divorce, agree on the division of marital property, agree on both the legal and physical custody of the children, agree on who will pay child support and in what amount, agree to any spousal support. New York uncontested divorce offer important advantages. Ending a marriage is always emotionally overwhelming, even in the friendliest of scenarios. But an amicable divorce is only one of the advantages of an uncontested divorce. Other advantages include: uncontested divorces often open the door for more cooperative and peaceful communication. A divorce that is not contested is less costly due to the absence of court costs and extensive legal fees. Many aspects of contested divorces require court filings that become a matter of public record. With an uncontested divorce, there are few legal filings that the public has access to. A divorce that is uncontested can reduce friction and animosity between a couple and enable them to work toward more amicable resolutions. Without the conflict of contention in the court's intervention, an uncontested divorce can offer a far quicker resolution. How do grounds for a New York divorce work? Until 2010, getting a divorce in New York required that one spouse had to prove grounds, or blame, to divorce the other spouse. As the last state in the nation to finally offer a no-fault option for divorce, the grounds of irretrievable breakdown of the marriage were added to the list of available grounds for a divorce in New York, becoming the 7th ground for divorce in the state. Property division. In an uncontested divorce, the divorcing couple must agree on how they will divide their marital property. Marital property in New York is defined as the property and debt that was acquired by either or both parties during the time they were married. Anything that either spouse brought into the marriage acquired before is considered separate property. Marital property can include property and other assets purchased during the time the couple was married, any appreciation of separate property during the time the couple was married, income earned by either spouse during the marriage, any investments made using either spouse's income during the marriage, Retirement benefits of either spouse that were earned during the marriage. The couple's business interests. Child custody. When minor children are involved in a divorce that is uncontested, the court will take a closer look to ensure that the best interests of the children have been considered and protected. A divorcing couple with minor children must come to an agreement concerning child custody and visitation that will be best for the children. Divorce lawyer explains child support. Child support is the financial obligation that one parent has toward the other toward their children's support. This is traditionally paid by the non-custodial parent to the custodial parent to help pay for everyday costs such as shelter, food, clothing, education, health insurance, and other living expenses. What happens if both spouses can't come to an agreement? Just because a divorce begins as an uncontested divorce doesn't mean that a couple may not come to roadblocks where they can't find mutual agreement on a matter. If these matters cannot be negotiated and resolved, the divorce will become contested and then must be litigated before the court to resolve any outstanding issues. Getting the assistance of an experienced uncontested divorce attorney. No matter how friendly a divorce may be, navigating it can still be complicated, and issues often arise. A divorce that is uncontested requires that both parties agree to and sign a formal written agreement. At any point up until this time, communication can break down, and emotions surface. Most often, a final agreement will not be reached until there has been significant negotiation between parties. Contact us today. Contact our office today to schedule a 100% risk-free strategy session with an attorney. Complete the form below and our office will reach out shortly.